Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, in this video lecture we are going to discuss solutions of second exercise in linear equations two variable chapter. As we know that in previous session we have discussed the solutions of first exercise in the same chapter. So this is the chapter, and particularly this exercise is most important and also very useful to construct a graph. To draw a graph of a linear equation in two variables, we need ordered pairs, is it? So in this video we are going to learn how to find different solutions of a given linear equation. Okay, first how to find the solutions of linear equation to variables, let us see. Okay, for example, I have taken x minus 2y is equal to 5. X minus 2y is equal to 5. So this is the equation x minus 2y is equal to 5. How to find the solutions? What can you say about the solutions of this equation? Is it has only one solution or more? So let us discuss. For suppose if you think x is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation, then put x is equal to 2 in this equation, then it becomes 2 minus 2y is equal to 5. Is it done? So then if you send minus 2y to right hand side, then it becomes plus 2y, and 5 to left hand side it becomes 2 minus 5, that is equal to 2y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so again we got a new equation. So we got here another equation, 2y is equal to minus 3, or we can write as 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So that here LHS and RHS are not satisfying. Here LHS is 2y, RHS is minus 3. If LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say that this is the solution. But here we got a new equation. So can you say x is equal to 2 is the solution for it? No. So then what about other? But still if you simplify it, we get here y value as minus 3 by 2. That means here for x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3 by 2, this equation is getting satisfied. So that this equation has not only the value of x2 is satisfying, but also for minus 3 by 2 also. That means we should have the solution of linear equation. If you want to define the solution of a linear equation, we must have the values of x and y. Then only we can say these values together, we say that the solution of this equation. Now what is the together means? We have to write in the form of ordered pair. X value, first we have to list x value, next y value. So 2 comma minus 3 by 2. 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Is it clear? Yes, this is the solution of this equation. So in this way we have to find. Usually the general method to find the solutions of a linear equation to variables is just put x value 0, then try to get y value. So x value 0, corresponding value of y. Similarly, consider y is equal to 0 and find the corresponding value of x. So then in that case we will get two values. Okay, two ordered pairs. So they asked me here to find us 3 different solutions, so that you have to try to get one more solution by substituting the value of x as per our convenience. If you substitute any value of x, we will get corresponding value to it. Okay, so if x is equal to means its corresponding y value is minus 3 by 2, so it is one solution. Okay, clear? Now if I write x value 0, okay, now I am putting here x value 0, then it is one solution. Then put x is equal to 0, then what about y? So substitute x value 0, 0 minus 2y is equal to 5, minus 2y is equal to 5, okay, then 2y is equal to minus 5, then y is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this is the y value. For x is equal to 0, the corresponding y value is minus 5 by 2. It is second solution. So 0 comma minus 5 by 2. And then what I said, now take y value 0, find out for x, find out the value of x, try for x. Okay, clear? so like this we have to solve. Already we have very familiar how to solve any question one variable in 8th class we have learned. In the same way we have to use same approach here also. Now what I am going to write, put y is equal to 0. Okay, then what about its solution? So x minus 2 into 0 is equal to 5. Okay, clear? Now x 2 into 0 0, so x is equal to 5. So for y is equal to 0, what is its corresponding value of x? 5. So 5 comma 0 is the third solution of this linear equation two variables. So this is the way we have to find the solutions of a linear equation two variables. Here are they same? No, these three are the different solutions. So we can find number of solutions. So a linear equation two variable has not only single solution, it has many number of solutions. Okay, but here they ask us to find only three different solutions. So this is the procedure. Okay, now see, fatafat we will solve these solutions. Okay, for this first try to write 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. For first solution I am writing here, put x is equal to 0, then it becomes 3 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 7, 4y is equal to 7, then y is equal to 7 by 4. Now what is ordered pair? Your ordered pair is 0 comma 7 by 4. This is one ordered pair, this is one solution. Now to get the second solution, put y is equal to 0. Then if you substitute y value 0 in this equation, then it becomes 3x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 7. Am I correct? Then 3x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 by 3. So for y is equal to 0, the corresponding value of x is 7 by 3. Its corresponding value of x is 7 by 3. So what is ordered pair here? First we have to write x value. Remember, first x coordinate, then y coordinate. Y coordinate is 0 here. We got two solutions. Now we have to try to get third solution. So now your wish, any value we can take. Say the assumption only. So put x is equal to something. If you take 2 or 3, we can take 1, we can take, no problem. I am taking 1. Put x is equal to 1. We can take minus 1 also, no issue. So put x is equal to 1, then it becomes 3 into 1 plus 4 into y as it is, 7. So 4y is equal to 7 minus 3 and 4y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 by 4, 1. Okay. So for x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. This is the third solution. Like this, how many solutions we got? 3 solutions. They asked us to find 3 different solutions of this given equations. Okay, so this is the way to find the solutions of different solutions of linear equation two variables. Now if you come to this question, that is y is equal to 6x, keep in pause and write in your notes. Okay, right. Now we have write conclusion. Therefore the three different solutions of the given equation are 0 comma 7 by 3, 7 by like that. Okay, sorry, 0 comma 7 by 4, 7 by 3 comma 0 and 1 comma. Now come to the second one. If you observe this equation, it is in the form of y is equal to mx1, means y is equal to, already it has written as subject. Now here put x is equal to 0, then y value 6 into 0, 0 itself. Okay, every time try to put x value 0 for one solution, and to get the second solution of this same equation, put y is equal to 0, we will get two values. Okay, easy. So here what is ordered pair? 0 comma 0. X coordinate 0, y value 0. Fine. Next, put y is equal to 0. Again we are getting here x value 0. Is it 0 by 6 is equal to 0. Same solution, but they asked us to find 3 different solutions. So you got here only one solution. That we have to try to get 2 more solutions. Is it? So it is same solution. So we don't consider again 0 and 0. Already we got. Now better take x value 1. Then y value, y is equal to 6 into 1, that is equal to 6. Then its solution is x coordinate first, x value next to y value 1 comma 6. Now to get third different solution, take x value minus 2, our wish. Okay, so then y is equal to 6 into x means 6 into minus 2, 6 into minus 2 minus 2. So y value is minus 2. Then third ordered pair is minus 2 comma minus 12. So we got here three different solutions. If we get same solution, we should not consider. Okay, this is the method. Okay, clear. Now come to the third one. In another way also we can solve same questions. This is the way. Write y as subject like this. Then by substituting the values we will get like this. Here 2x minus y is equal to 7. From here y is equal to 2x minus 7. Now see first x values. Then what is y value here? 2x minus 7 is the y value. Simplification. Tabular form also you can make like this. And then we have to write x comma y value. These are the solutions. Okay. So as per our method, first we have to write the x value. Put x value 0. Okay. Put x value 0. Put x value 0. Then it becomes 2 into 0 minus 7, that is equal to minus 7. So ordered pair is 0 comma minus 7. Okay, next put y value 0. Now here you take different solutions. Instead of y value 0, always try to take x value something. Okay, then if you take x value 1, put x value 1, then x value 1 means 2 into 1 minus 7. 2 1 is 2 minus 7, that is minus 5. So 1 comma minus 5. Now take x value, any value, take minus 2, one negative value, then it becomes x value minus 2 means then y value is 2 into minus 2 minus 7, that is equal to minus 4 minus 7, that is minus 11. So minus 2 comma minus 7. So here we got three different solutions. So we can get in this way also three different solutions of the equation. Always here we have taken x value 0 for one solution, and to get the second solution we have taken y value 0, and to get the third solution we have considered any value of x, and we got corresponding y value to it. Is it corresponding value of its y value? Okay, clear. So this is another approach to find the different solutions of a given linear equation two variables. This method we followed while drawing the graph. Okay, clear. Now here in our textbook they are given one more problem, that is fifth problem. See, x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 7. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 7. So how to solve it? Okay. So for this, don't try to write in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. Okay. So fifth question is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 7 now. First put x is equal to 0. Okay. By putting x value 0, it becomes 0 by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 7. Am I correct? Yes. So if I send that side, it becomes y is equal to 7, 4 is 28. Since 0 by 3 value 0, y by 4 is equal to 7. Here y by 4 is equal to 7. Then y is equal to 4, 7 is 20. Clear. Now put x value 0 completed. Now put y is equal to 0 in the equation, given equation. Then it becomes x by 3 plus y value 0 by 4 is equal to 7. Okay. Then x by 3 is equal to 7. Then x is equal to 7 3 is 21. Cross multiplication. So here ordered pair is for x value 0, we got its corresponding y value 28. Here for y value 0, what is its corresponding x value? 21. So 21 comma 0 is the second solution. We have to try to get third solution. They asked us to find three solutions. So for that, So what is the solution of third solution of this equation? As I said, our wish. So I am, for my convenience to get the third solution, I am replacing x by, here the what is the denominator of x? 3. So I am trying to take multiple of 3. Okay, any one of the multiples of 3. So that I am considering here x value 6, my wish, or else take x value minus 6, our wish. Okay. So now put x value 6 in this. So 6 by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 7. Clear? So 3 divides 6 2 times. So y by 4 is equal to 7 minus 2. That is equal to 5. So y by 4 is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 4, that 20. So the value of x is here 6. Its corresponding y value is 20. Now how many solutions we got here? 3 different solutions. What are those? 0, 28, 21, 0 and 6, 20. Sir, we always taken positive values. We can take negative values also for x. We can take x also. Sorry, we can consider the values of x as integers also, no problem. Okay. So this is a way to find the solutions, different solutions of a given linear equation, two variables. Okay. So what is the conclusion here? We can find number of solutions for given linear equation. Okay. If the condition is given, we will get finite number of solutions. But if there is no condition, we will get infinite number of solutions. Sir, what is that means? X plus y is equal to 0. Then how to find solutions? Here simple. Sum of these two numbers is always 0. That means these both are additive inverse of each other, is it? Here x plus y value 0 means y is equal to minus x. And y value 1 అయితే x value minus 1 అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ x value minus 1 అయితే y value plus 1. So that sum of two numbers always we can guess easily ordered by, if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to minus 1. So ordered pair is 1 comma minus 1. If x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to minus of minus 2. Then ordered pair is minus 2 comma 2. Minus of minus 2 means plus 2. So always sum must be equal to 0. Like we can take, by default we can take many solutions. But if I say any condition here, for example, x plus y is equal to 0 and x comma y are here natural numbers. X plus y is equal to 0 and x comma y are natural numbers, belongs to natural numbers. Is it possible the solution here? So if we add any two natural numbers, are we able to get 0? No. Natural numbers are always counting numbers, positive numbers. Okay, so we don't get. So if the mentioned condition, we will get finite number of solutions. No solution like that. For suppose, okay, here we got some 3 solutions easily we got. Okay, for suppose if they are given question like this, find the number of solutions of x plus y is equal to 100. They asked in an objective type question like this, number of solutions of x plus y is equal to 100, where x comma y belongs to natural numbers. Option 1 infinite, option 2 100, option 3 finite number of solutions, option 4 can't be determined. Zero, here 0. I repeat, here options are infinite, 0, finite and can't be determined. Then which option is correct? Here x comma y belongs to n, they are given. So sum of two natural numbers must be equal to 100. So is it possible to get infinite? Since if they do not give any condition here, yes, there is a possibility of getting many number of solutions. But here we have to consider the values of x and y always natural numbers. So it is wrong option, and clearly we don't get 0 solutions, we will get some finite number of solutions. So it can be determined, so that is finite. Okay, this is the way. So linear equation 2 variables also depends on the condition. We may get finite number of solutions or infinite number of solutions. Sometimes we may not get solution also based on these conditions. Okay, for example I have given. Okay, beta. So this is about finding different solutions of linear equation to variables. I hope you are clear about these solutions. In the next video session we will discuss the remaining problems of the same exercise. Till then, have a nice day.